y'all, I'm back with the entrepreneur vlog. This weekend I will be vending at this vegan extravaganza. So yeah, that's very exciting. You know, I'm ready to eat. I can't wait to show y'all what I'm gonna eat. I'm honestly not sure or like super confident about the sales this weekend, so I'm not even gonna set no goal. And I know I probably should, but I will not disappoint myself like that. Good morning, y'all. I'm getting ready to pack up for the pop-up shop. I'm really late doing this. Like, it's like almost 9:30, and I'm supposed to be at the event loading in at 11 a.m. so let's hurry up and do this. I think I'm only going to take 5 of each thing, maybe 6. I don't know. My stomach hurting right now. Dang, I don't even have all my stuff that I used to pack, but for right now I'm just going to start.
Put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them put the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. When you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen. Better yet, for your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty.
You know them days where you're not feeling it, you're not feeling like doing what you said you was gonna do. Say if, for example, if you have a business like me, or you wake up and the weather just throw you off and it just be a lot going on, but you gotta push through no matter what. And in this video, that's what I did. I really dislike doing outdoor pop-up shops, especially like because weather is like, you know, it's something that you can't control, and I get that. But sometimes, look, it was super windy. I was getting frustrated because my stuff will be flying off the table, my bonnets and things like that. And I got to do all these adjustments and stuff like that. The wind blowing my stuff. And then we in the grass. I got to worry about my stuff getting dirty. And I was just kind of like frustrated, but I was determined to make it work. At one point, like I was thinking about, I'm like, dang, bro, I don't even feel like setting this up. I don't feel like doing this. I didn't know how this event was going to turn out. I didn't know if I was going to do good in sales or not. I was just out here because it was an opportunity just to expose my business to something else, but also for me to enjoy eating vegan food, because I probably was going to come to this vegan festival even if I didn't vend. So it was best for me to be there and vending at the same time. So I feel like it was perfect timing and divine timing. But y'all, I was really frustrated this day, but I did a great job. Like, if you continue to watch this video, you will definitely see the transformation in the energy and the transformation in the setup and all those things and how I made it work. So perseverance is the key to entrepreneurial success. And I'm not super rich or wealthy or anything like that, but I am successful because I am a business owner, and I have took the risk to become a business owner. And I have a YouTube channel, and I have a college degree, and I'm pending another college degree. So I'm already a successful Black woman, Black young lady, but I have more in store and more coming my way. And I just want y'all to continue to be great. You are already successful. I don't know why we think that we're not successful, which we really are, because at the end of the day, every day we're striving to do something different, or to do something more, or to be better than we was the day before. So to sum all this up, keep going. You can do it no matter what. Just show up. You see me? I showed up in this windy weather, irritated, but I made it work, as you can see. Now y'all shop Shenanigans Hairtique. You gonna see me show the booth a couple times. Y'all know I had to show the CEO, of course. But yes, I am the owner of Shenanigans Hairtique. We create all natural hair and beard care products. You can get oil, leave-in conditioner, edge control, hair grease, satin bonnets, satin pillowcases, and so many other things. And I also showed a lot of different vendors in this video as well. It was a farmers market also going on at the same time as the vegan festival, so that was a even bigger crowd. And y'all, I really wanted fruits this day, so I didn't buy any produce, but I should have, because I could make me a bomb soup. But next time, I know better. I was just being lazy and didn't feel like cooking all that stuff. But throughout this video, you will see a lot of amazing vendors. And yeah, thank y'all for watching, and I wish y'all much success in your life overall.
Now you wishing you was with me, living life so true. Giving all your friends that I was cool. They don't know that you be on that bullshit.
Hey, how are you?
I don't know why I assumed y'all was bringing bagels and pancakes.
Oh my gosh, I wish.
I thought y'all was bringing.
Wouldn't that be more fun? We need a food truck for all that.
Yes.
So stupid, and it's so amusing. Your effort is so useless, and now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please, ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please, I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it.
Oh, it's up there too. I didn't know that. So you be getting all my notifications.
Yeah.
Wow. Event is going great. So far the event is going great. Oh. Avocado. I'm gonna try it, see what it's working with. Hey, how y'all doing? Yeah. 4 hours later, finally got some food. Collard green egg roll. You can't see. He got a sweet potato egg roll, my brother. And I got a crab dog. I was supposed to get a fried taco, but they sold out. I should have got my food earlier. But, all right. I want to. Yeah, I'm thinking about getting some street noodles. I'm not sure. I do got food at home though, so maybe not. We have like vegan dishes, vegan soul food dishes, dessert. Love it. Yeah, I know you obsessed right now with the bracelet. I might come back and get this. We got one sale so far. So this actually may be a great event. They had a long line for this food. It's probably y'all, it is still deep out here. Line always back here. Oh, literally, the line is always back here. I saw started seeing the lines, I was like, oh yeah, this is gonna be one of those sold out type of things. We're gonna take him out of here. I already know the I'm about to sample this though. And just kind of something in your oil. Yeah. They'll start to fry up like real shrimp. Okay. Tomorrow. Tomorrow is Monday again. Like, I just want to take Monday off. Hey y'all, we had another successful Sunday event. Now I can see it because I had an event last Sunday. But yes, today was a successful event. I enjoyed the vegan fest, bruh. I eat too much. And I didn't even eat that much, but sometimes food just feel heavy. I just feel like I ate a lot. I just had one crab dog. I had collard green egg roll. My brother had the sweet potato egg roll. I brought a smoothie. Where is that supposed to be putting that in the refrigerator? I brought a smoothie. I didn't finish drinking it. And I brought some chana and rice. I really was trying to get the, what is it called? The noodles, the sticky noodles, I think. The fried noodles, something like that. I was trying to get those. But, y'all, I think they had way more people than they expected. Or something like that. Or they didn't have they didn't have enough staff, so. But they was booming. The line was long the entire time. People were waiting for food for 2 to 3 and 4 hours, including me. I didn't get my food until the end, so it was really decked out. And then there was another vegan food place that I should try, but I was kind of scared, and I don't know why. But I'm gonna try them next time. They had like these potato balls, curry balls. I'm definitely gonna try them next time because I know that would have been worth it. I know it would have been worth it. But yeah, so I got that, and I got some granola snack. They also had vegan cookies and so much stuff. And then this brand right here, they had a lot of vegan, paleo diet, plant-based snacks. So yeah, I got this grainless granola, and it has sunflower seeds, raisins, almonds, pecans, agave, coconut, maple syrup, chia seeds, vanilla, organic spices and salt. It got everything in here. They had so many more snacks that I wanted. They even had peanut butter and jelly hummus and pizza hummus, but I can't buy it all, and I already spent above my budget. I also brought a Aquarius book, and I brought my brother a Capricorn book because we picked up the book and it was interesting. And so both of the books together was $32. I usually do not, you know what I'm saying? I usually do not indulge and stuff like that because I'm pretty sure I could have found it on Amazon. But I'm paying it forward. I'm supporting Black businesses and helping small businesses stay alive. So I'm doing somebody a favor, and yeah. But anyways, I did really good today at this event. I had 16 customers, and I really wasn't expecting that. I didn't think that I was going to even have customers for real and stuff. I just like the weather and all that. I don't know. I just didn't put no goal, no plan or nothing like that. But it was a vegan festival, and I wanted to be there anyway. So I just signed up to be a vendor because I didn't have any vendor events this weekend. But turns out I think I made some money. But I think the money was my expenses basically because I got to pay myself. I got to get paid. I got to. And I got to pay gas and the vending fee. So, but it was worth meeting the people, being at the event, eating good, and achieving new customers. That's the end of this entrepreneur vlog. I packaged the order. I started I packaged the order today, and I'm about to ship it. And I tried to take out those shampoo bars, but it won't working out. They need to mold a little bit more, so we're just gonna wait on that. That'll be in another video probably. This concludes the entrepreneur weekend vlog. I did really good yesterday at the event. I had 16 customers. I flipped my vending fee a couple times, so that was good, and I wasn't even expecting to do that good. And then it was a lot of people that I didn't know, so that's even better. So I know they're gonna come back again and get some more products. And the event was just fun. The food was good, the people was good, the vendors had a lot of good stuff. I wish I could have brought more stuff, but I couldn't, so I mostly buy food. And I got me and my brother this book. So yeah, that's the end of this vlog.